Big update in the Indian fund industry. On the 19th of September, Edelweiss Mutual Fund launched India's very first hybrid specialized investment fund. This is part of SEBI's newly created SIF category, designed for investors who want more flexibility and smarter diversification. Let's break down how this hybrid SIF is structured. Here's the core idea. A hybrid SIF is allowed to move across asset classes while staying within SEBI's guardrails. It can invest from 25% to 75% in equity and equity-related instruments, so you get growth exposure. From remaining 25% to 75% can be allocated to debt and money market instruments, giving stability and liquidity. Importantly, the fund can also use derivatives, mainly for hedging and efficient portfolio management. The unhedged derivatives are capped at 25%, and allocations are dynamic, meaning the fund manager can shift between equity and debt depending on market conditions instead of being locked into one style. SEBI also allows some additional flexibility here. Overseas securities up to 30% of net assets, thus providing diversification. REITs and InvITs up to 20%, opening access to real estate and infrastructure. Securities lending up to 20%, which can add incremental income. So this hybrid SIF structure is broader than what you see in a conventional hybrid mutual fund. If you're considering investing, here are the important numbers from the Edelweiss NFO. Launch date 19 September 2025. NFO opening date 1st October 2025. Minimum investment 10 lakh rupees. Additional investments from 10,000 rupees. Redemptions bi-weekly, Monday and Wednesday. So, Edelweiss's hybrid SIF is essentially about combining growth, stability and flexibility in one product. This is one of the earliest hybrid SIF launches in India, and it signals how fund houses are adapting to SEBI's new category. But remember, SIFs are complex and high-ticket products. Always consult a professional before investing. We are a SEBI-approved distributor, and if you'd like to understand whether this fund is right for you, you can reach out to us directly on WhatsApp or email us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights on these new age funds.